will study the political maps, we will study the physical maps, and one more is that we will study the thematic maps. ठीक है, physical maps, you know, you have already studied that why the physical map is being used, mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and all. ठीक है, तो वो physiographic divisions जो हैं, I am writing it in one word, that is physiographic divisions. Physical map is used to study. Political maps में we will study, because you know geography defines the pattern of cities, geography defines how the state is going to be. So in political map we are going to study about the boundaries, states, important towns, cities, as someone is saying boundaries, yes. So we will study these things. Now comes the thematic maps. What are thematic maps? Thematic maps are based on themes. Especially the themes which we are going to study here is, one is the population distribution, agricultural pattern or agricultural crops. We are going to study about the mineral resources, and fourth one is we are going to study about climate, or this climate is directly linked with the vegetation. These are the patterns. Try to get into the detail of this population distribution. As we discussed that the population is concentrated mainly in those regions which are rich in economic activities. Resources भी बोल सकते हैं, economic activities, or which have a moderate type of a climate, or we can say a suitable climate, and these regions would be termed as the population clusters. Agriculture crops, generally the crops, generally I am talking about, there are of two types. They are tropical crops and they are temperate crops. Tropical crops and temperate crops. Tropical crops require warm and wet conditions, and temperate crops require cool and dry conditions. Can you guys list out some tropical and temperate crops? Rice is tropical, okay. हाँ, walnut, ठीक है. और बताओ? Yes, sugar cane is tropical. Wheat is not tropical. Wheat is temperate. Yes, Pooja, groundnut, wheat as temperate crop. No, wheat we can say a temperate crop, but groundnut is not exactly a temperate crop. Yes, cotton. Cotton is a tropical crop, or we can say we have wheat, we have mustard, oats, potato, and many. खरीफ, राबी, ये सब तो आप लोगों ने पढ़ा ही होगा ना, या NCERT वगैरह में, ठीक है. So these are some of the crops that we are pointing out here. Mineral resources. Mineral resources we are also going to read this or study this. Mineral resources define the industrial patterns, और industries जो होती हैं वो दो तरह की होती हैं. One is agro based and others are mineral based. ठीक है, एग्रो बेस्ड होती हैं और मिनरल बेस्ड होती हैं इंडस्ट्रीज. एग्रो बेस्ड कैसी होंगी? फूड प्रोसेसिंग, यस, फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज, टेक्सटाइल्स, ठीक है, गारमेंट इंडस्ट्री, ये सब जो है आपका फूड प्रोसेसिंग, और ये सब एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज होंगी. मिनरल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज आर यस मिल्क डेयरी, आयरन एंड स्टील, कोल इंडस्ट्री एंड ऑल. सो दीज ऑल आर industries which come within the categories of agro based and mineral based. सीमेंट में यूज होता है जिप्सम एज अ रॉ मटेरियल, तो वी कैन से दैट इट इज मिनरल बेस्ड, क्योंकि एग्रो बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट तो है नहीं जिप्सम, वो भी लिख देते हैं, आपने कह ही दिया. तो नाउ कम्स क्लाइमेट. क्लाइमेट, टू नो मोर अबाउट द क्लाइमेट वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट इनटू द लैटिट्यूडनल जोन्स. ठीक है, क्योंकि लैटिट्यूडनल जोन के बेसिस पे ही ये डिवाइड होती है क्लाइमेट. We know about the equatorial zone or equatorial type of climate. We have a tropical. ठीक है, और क्या होगा? मेडिटेरेनियन पे आ गए सीधा तुम लोग। मेडिटेरेनियन, टेम्परेट, ठीक है। मेडिटेरेनियन इज, वी कैन से इट इज वन ऑफ द क्लाइमेट विद इन द, इट इज द सब क्लाइमेट ऑफ दिस टेम्परेट जोन। और क्या होगा, पोलर वगैरह जो होता है, फ्रिजिड जोन जहां पे होती हैं, तो ये सब जो है पोलर जोन। यस मुस्कान, पोलर। दीज आर द कैटेगरीज ऑफ क्लाइमेट।